What's up, everyone? This is Duran over at Alpha 7 Trading Academy. Today I wanted to go over a simple concept that's a real good resource tool with Thinkorswim only, where we could use stops that are against studies. So I'm going to do one which is a study against the 5-period moving average of the 5-minute 5MA, which is 43 tens. Okay, or I may do 15s, depends how close it is once I start showing you how to do it. And this is good for us, Alpha 7, because we use a trailing stop of the 5MA on all different time frames. So let's say, for instance, I'm short this. So let's just short some ALTR. Doesn't matter if it's going to work out or not. I just want to show you how to implement this on any study. Alright, so we're going to short 500 shares. Now I'm going to use the 5-minute 5MA. So I'm going to go to trade, and I'm going to go to ALTR. I'm going to use the ask. And all the way to the right hand corner below here, there's a configuration box. You're going to pull it up, and you're going to have this. First thing you want to do is you want to create market and change the amount of shares. So we're going to do 500 shares. And you're going to use this one, order conditions. So you're going to do the 5 method, automatically go to study and go to edit. And here you're going to choose the 5-minute simple moving average, because that's what we're going to use. And remember, if we're short, then if the price, we want the moving average to be less than the price. Okay, so we'll just use the ask, doesn't matter, within 1 bar. Okay, so simple moving average of a 5-period moving average, ask. Okay, and then we're going to make sure this is true. 5-minute, everything looks good. We're going to click OK. We're going to click OK again. We're going to make sure that it's not above the 5MA yet, and it's not. So then what we're going to, tell me the order didn't just go away. Alright, so we'll do it again. We're going to change this to market. We're going to do 500 shares. I'm going to click this, edit. We're going to do the 5-minute. Make sure it's true. You're going to click edit. Make sure this is a 5-period moving average is less than the price, ask, within 1 bar always, okay? So simple moving average is less than the price, which is perfect. When this is on the 5-minute, we're clicking OK, OK. And now we have the conditions. We're going to click confirm and send. And now you see here how it shows the 500 market order, but the condition says that this market order will not be executed until the 5MA on the 5-minute breaks. Okay, so this allows us to take advantage of the trend on the 1-minute and on the 5-minute. So if it's strong enough, we'll be able to continue to make some money on the trend. All right. So that's basically how you do it for the simple moving average. You could do it for the Bollinger Band, you could do it for stochastic crossover, anything that you could think of. You could use your stop, sort of like a trailing stop, but not off against the price, but against a study. Okay, so for instance, my condition is only once the price breaks above the 5-minute 5MA, which is this one right here, will it then execute the 500 share market and get me out. Okay, so as you can see, our average is 42.98. So we'll continue to be able to take this. I didn't anticipate taking this as a trade, even though it was an inverse pop and an inverse mini pop. So we'll let this run and consider this a trade of the day and also a trade concept. Now look, this is good for us. SPY is breaking out on the upside. Hopefully ALTR could have a coil up and allow us to test this stop right here. And I may speed this up so that way it doesn't take that much of your time to watch. So if you see it moving twice as fast, that's just because I didn't want you guys to sit and wait for this to occur. You know, usually when you want to get stopped out for any practice reason or anything of that nature, it'll go your way instead of stopping you out. Always. Always when you want to show how it gets stopped out, it'll just continue to go your way. We may see some bounce right next to the 200 MA. Okay, as you can see, it's still not taking me out, and I don't have to watch it. I could let this run now, and I could be confident that if this is my anticipation, and I partialed out most of my shares, and I want to leave 200 shares as for the run, then I could do that and not have to worry about it because the 5 MA will stop it out whenever it's ready. We got another 4 minutes for a 5-minute candle. Thing is pretty relatively weak compared to the market. It's a good sign. Alright, so we may be able to test this out now. So if I highlight here on Thinkorswim, I could see the 5 MA is at 43.01, which means around 43.02, my stop should be executed from the 5 MA. So let's pull up the level 2. Remember, 43.02 needs to break. There you go. We got taken out. You guys see how easy that was? Okay, let's see where we got taken out exactly. $43.04s. Okay? You can see how easy that is. So I hope this was great. Not many people know about this. They don't know how to do it. You could probably find it in the forums, but a video is a lot easier to use it, to be able to understand how to utilize it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them in the comment section. I'm more than happy to help you and assist each and every single one of you if you have any questions about this concept. Have a great day.